Hey everyone, for today's cocktail we're going to be using this delicious barrel-aged Cab Sav from the Robert Mondavi Private Selection. Now what makes this wine awesome is that it has been aged in bourbon barrels for 3 months, giving this really nice flavour that doesn't overpower the black cherry and blackberry notes that you get inside of this wine. Now I was thinking, because this is aged in bourbon, we're going to pair this with a whiskey and we are going to make a New York sour. Alrighty, so with the New York sour, we start off with our whiskey. We get 45 mils of our whiskey. So we just got one of these cute little mini Jack Daniels bottles because today it's all about the wine. Anyway, we'll take the big side, fill that guy up. The small side there, we got 45. We have a little bit left for later. Alright, so with this one, it's all straight in the shaker. The next ingredient is your simple syrup. We're gonna get 30 mils of that. Big side again. Awesome. And I have pre-squeezed my lemons today because I didn't want to waste your time. So 30 mils of our pre-squeezed lemon juice. And one thing that I've learned recently, we don't want to overshake. So about 30 seconds just till it's iced. And just back and forth. Roll. Alright, now once you've shaken that one up, give it a bit of a pour. You should have some ice still in your shaker. Awesome. Now we grab our bar spoon, put it in a glass, and we grab the hero of the day, the red wine, and we just give it a bit of a pour just over the top, about 15 mils or so. Now, that should just give it a bit of that red color on top there. A nice little bit of separation. Cheers guys, New York sour.